Mailcrafters model 9800 6-station inserter, and this inserter has a turnover, so you can go through a postage meter, or you can go through an inkjet, and so you'll deliver face up to the conveyor. And it has the display here to set the machine up for turning on and off stations and turning the water on. And also it has the sequential startup and shutdown, which we're going to demonstrate, but what that does is it just starts the pieces so that the first piece out is a fully collated set, and the last piece out is also a fully collated set. And but I'm going to just give you a little bit of detail on the machine as far as the condition, so we'll kind of get some close-ups here. And the machine is in very good condition, and I'm going to lift up these plexiglass safety covers because they'll create some glare in there. Okay, lift this one up as well. And we're going to also, there's your envelope hopper, and we'll open this front panel here. You can see there is a little bit of scuffing there, but generally the paint is in very good condition. And we'll look underneath here. Everything is in very good condition here as well. Okay, close that back up, and we'll move down a little bit here. There's your electronics, and we'll move to the back of the machine. And again, you can see that the machine is in very good condition. And we'll look down below here. And this is just the back of the turnover. And you can see the machine is on wheels right now. These wheels are adding 6 inches to the height of the machine. That's why the conveyor is on this dolly as well, to raise it up to match the machine, because we're going to run a few pieces momentarily. And again, this is the Mailcrafters 9800 6 p.m. inserter. Okay, now we're going to show a few pieces going through the machine and how the sequential startup and shutdown works, and also how to set up the job for the stations that you're going to use. So we're going to go ahead and turn off the stations that we're not going to use. The only stations we're going to use are stations number 3 and number 6. Everything else we're going to turn off. And we're going to also turn the water on. And we're going to start off running slow so that you see how first we're going to grab a piece from station 6. And then at the appropriate time we're going to grab from station 3 and also grab the outside envelope. So now we have a completed collated set going into the envelope and being sealed and delivered to the conveyor. We'll speed the machine up a little bit. And then we'll go ahead and hit the run out. And the run out will stop the job, and actually it'll shut the inserter down. so your last envelope on the conveyor will be a completed set. And that's the Mailcrafters 9800 6-station with a turnover and a 5.5-foot conveyor.